That's what it's gonna look like, hopefully.
As long as Uncle doesn't break it first.
Do break it, Uncle.
Yeah, if you want to get some tip.
Yeah.
But Uncle got warranty on it.
Yup. Because Uncle not stupid.
Sawyer. Sawyer. Sawyer.
He's so excited. You go round. Turn. He's making sure it's put together properly. He's just testing it. Make sure these tires are on good and tight.
Sawyer. Sawyer.
Yeah, I'm busy, Grandma.
Sawyer.